Wait, didn't you think a high credit score was your golden ticket? You've paid your bills on time, you've kept your balances low, and your score is looking fantastic, maybe 750, 800, even higher. So you apply for that premium credit card, or that great car loan, or maybe even a mortgage pre-approval, and declined. What on earth just happened? The score isn't the whole story. It's one of the most confusing and frustrating financial situations, but here's the harsh reality: your credit score is just one data point. It's a snapshot of your past borrowing behavior, but lenders look at your entire financial profile to assess risk and affordability. Think of it this way: the score is your high school diploma, it proves you can learn. The rest of your application is the job interview, it proves you can do the job and that you're a good fit for them. The silent application killers. There are three main culprits that often fly under the radar, even for people with excellent credit. 1. High debt-to-income ratio, DTI. This is arguably the biggest reason. Your score doesn't know how much you earn. Your DTI is your total monthly debt payments divided by your gross monthly income. If you have a high income but even higher debt, say, a massive student loan, a big mortgage, or hefty car payments, lenders will worry you can't comfortably handle more debt. They might see a low risk of default, but a high risk of financial strain, and that's a no for their underwriter. 2. Credit utilization too high. Yes, your score factors this in, but an underwriter looks closer. If you have a $20,000 credit limit and a perfect score, but you're currently using $18,000 of it, that's a 90% utilization rate. Even if you pay it off every month, at the moment you applied, it looks like you rely heavily on credit, signaling potential distress. Lenders prefer to see utilization well under 30% and ideally under 10%. 3. Too much recent activity. Have you been shopping for credit? Every time you apply for a new loan or card, it results in a hard inquiry on your credit report. A flurry of hard inquiries in a short period, say, 5 and 6 months, makes you look desperate or risky to a lender. They worry that you're about to open several new lines of credit simultaneously, which drastically increases your overall borrowing risk after they approve you. The fix: what you can do. First, if you're denied, the lender is legally required to send you an adverse action notice explaining the specific reason. Read that letter. It's your personalized roadmap. Then, focus on these 3 things before reapplying. Lower your DTI, pay down existing debt, especially high-interest debt, to free up your monthly cash flow. Drop your utilization, get your credit card balances as close to zero as possible. Pay them off before the statement closing date. Cool off, stop applying for any credit for at least 3 to 6 months to let those hard inquiries age and disappear into the background. A high credit score is your foundation, but a stable income, low debt, and strategic application timing is what builds the whole house. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.